guys, it's Jing Soriano here and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video, I am just going to teach you how to get the look that I have on right now, and what I really like about this makeup look is that hindi ko na po kinailangan gumamit na any liquid foundation, BB or CC cream para sa look na ito. So if you guys want to know how to get the look that I have on right now, please keep on watching. So what I am going to use is the Collagen Day Cream. This was sent to me just a few months ago, and it comes with a night cream and a soap na you used to wash your face with. So, ginamit ko po yung soap pang wash sa face ko kanina. And this is going to be our pinaka makeup base. Kumbaga, ito na yung magiging foundation or BB cream natin. What I really like about this product is that it's very lightweight and nagbibigay siya ng sheer coverage. So, yeah, this is good. Ayoko kasi yung products na parang they feel heavy on the face and also parang ang init. Hindi kasi ako huge fan talaga ng mga creams sa face, mga facial cream. Walang yung talagang nagagamit ko ng madalas. I just blend it out. And nga pala, little product goes a long way, kaya super matipid din siya. Lalagay din po tayo sa neck. Don't forget the neck. Applying the collagen. And after that one, I am just going to conceal any blemishes that I have or things that I have to conceal. In this case, siguro yung under eye lang, tsaka yung mga blemish ko here and here. So, I am going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm in the shade 10. I'm just going to use my finger to blend this one. I am just going to set it with powder. You can use any pressed powder you want. Or you can even use your Johnson's baby powder kung meron kayo nun. In this case, I am going to use this product that I got from Miniso. This is called the Queen Collection Powder Pack. I'm in the shade Natural Nude. This is how it looks like. So I'm just going to use my stippling brush. Setting it with any powder that you have. Next step is kilay naman tayo mga best. So for my kilay, I'm just going to use my 2-angle brow pencils. The other one is from Etude House. And the other one is hindi ko na alam yung brand niya kasi nabura na. I'm going to start off with the black one. I'm using brown and black kasi. I'm just filling in my brows. Following the natural brow line. Challenge lang naman kasi sa pagkikilay is yung pagpapantay. So if you feel like parang hindi talaga sila magpantay, you can use any eyeliner that you have para mapantay siya. So I'm just going to use my black eyeliner. You can use any black eyeliner you have. So I'm just drawing some hair-like strokes para mas magmukhang natural dito sa tip. Meron talaga tayong tinatawag na mga bad brow day. So apparently, kahit gano'ng kakagaling magkilay, minsan meron talagang time na parang hindi nakikisama yung kilay mo. Kung may tinatawag silang bad hair day, meron din tayong tinatawag na bad brow day. Hindi na lang po pantay ha. Kunwari pantay siya. Okay. So after that one, I am just going to use my Jet Setter Makeup Kit. I got this from LA Girl. So I am just going to use this one right here. This is like a parang medyo champagne yung color niya. So that is what I'm going to use for my lids. And after applying that to my lids, I am just going to use this soft brown color here. Very simple lang tong makeup look na na-achieve natin. For my brow bone highlight, I am just going to use a white shimmery eyeshadow from this palette. So this is the Makeup Collection Eyeshadow Blush Duo palette. I got this one a few months ago from Party Queen Philippines. Or Makeover Philippines pala, sorry. So yeah, I'm just gonna be picking out this white shade here. Just to highlight the brow bone. Okay, so after that, magta-tight line tayo. Use any black eyeliner you have. And also, mag-line din ako ng konti sa aking waterline. Time for liquid eyeliner. So today, I am going to use my Nishido liquid eyeliner to line my eyes. After natin maglagay ng liquid eyeliner, next step is mascara. Wala akong curler dito, so hindi ko nika-curl yung aking lashes. So for my lashes, I am just going to use the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. So, yan. So after curling our lashes, it's time for it's up to you kung magno-nose line kayo or hindi, pero maglalagay ako ng konting nose line. So, from my Jet Setter palette, I am just going to pick out this dark brown here. Yung dark brown shadow here. I usually blend it with my fingertips. And then for my nose bridge, choose any highlighter color that you have. In this case, pinaghalo ko lang yung white shimmery shadow na ginamit kong pang-highlight ng brow bone ko dito sa aking nose bridge. Don't have to put that much, konti lang. Okay, so after that one, it's time for blush. So for the blush, I'm not gonna use any powdered blush. I am only going to use my good old trusty Everbilena Lip and Cheek Stain. So this is the cheapest one na meron ako. Let it sit lang muna for a while before ko siya i-blend. When I blend it, I would start here sa may tabi ng nose, tapos pa ganun. Kailangan siyang masobrahan kasi pag masosobrahan yan, i-blend out nyo lang siya with your fingers and with the powder. For my lips naman, I am just going to use lip tint pa din. Pero konti lang. Because I'm going to top it off with my Rimmel lipstick. This lipstick is in the shade 23. This one's from Japan, so I don't know kung may mabibiling ganito dito. This is the color. So, magpo-bronzer na tayo. Gagamitin ko lang din tong Jet Setter pa din. Gamitin ko lang yung aking bronzer dito. Gamit na gamit, no? Gamit na gamit tong palette na to, guys. Super. So, gagamitin ko na lang din yung stippling brush ko. Tinatamad na ako muna ng brush. So, huwag niyo akong tularan, guys. Sobrang tamad ko kumuha ng brush. Mali tong brush na to. Na, we're done. So, I'll be back. Ayusin ko lang ang aking hair. Patulin ko lang muna yung hair ko and magko-contact lens lang ako. Okay, so nag-blow dry lang po ako ng hair and nagbihis at naglagay ng contact lens. And that's just basically it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give this video some thumbs up if you want me to do more videos like this for you. And if you guys have any comments or video requests, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. And also, I hope you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video here on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. I love you all.